Court of the State of Montana is now in session. The Honorable John W. Larson presiding.
You can be seated. I'm going to go to the Brockway case. Mr. Brockway and his counsel will move forward.
Your Honor.
Good morning. So, are you ready to proceed?
We are.
Mr. Jasper?
We are, Your Honor. The approach.
You may.
The court acknowledging rights.
Can you read these over and sign them?
That's correct.
Very well. And your name is correctly spelled on the charging document?
Correct, Your Honor.
And is he... He wants to proceed at this time?
Yes, Your Honor.
Does he want me to read the entire information out loud in the court this morning, or will he waive the reading and allow me just to note the charge?
Waive the reading.
So as to the charge count 1, the felony assault on a minor, violation 45-5-212.1. Where's your plea?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
Not guilty plea is entered. We would have an omni schedule, Mr. Jasper.
Judge, given the fact that I have to have a neuropsych completed in this, I'm asking that maybe the next time you're here.
So that's October 23rd at 10 o'clock. So, and we'll probably have him present at that time as well.
That's fine.
We may have other issues that we can take up at that time.
I can do 1:30 in October.
I'm sorry, so we're at 1:30 in October.
Okay.
Okay. Other issues?
No, we've got the GPS set up. That's working. That was put on yesterday. Everything else is good.
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
So I do want to mention, and it's clear that I have jurisdiction in the other case where there is a judgment, DC 2010-22. While I had granted the petition for discharge from supervision, I am reinstating that, and so we will be on probation on those conditions.
And we've already actually made contact with the probation officer as well.
Great. So he'll be regularly checking in with his probation officer, and the probation officer can monitor the GPS that we have established.
And yes, Your Honor, the state has also been in contact with probation officer Sean Heydrich. For technicality reasons, we do need to file a petition to revoke the conditional discharge. I am in the process of doing that. I done a little research on the statutory authority. We're fine to do that. So once I get that petition done, the state supports that as well. That way, probation can technically, officially get back involved in the case.
But unofficial.
But unofficially.
They're on today. There were matters taken up in the pre-sentence report and in your petition for discharge. And so I assume your client is working again with the Bridges program or some similar program.
Judge, what I did is yesterday I reached out to Abe Abramson. He's helping me navigate the VA system as well. So yes, we're doing the everything we can. VA takes a little bit of time to get through that process, but Abe's helping me, he's providing me with it.
And so what I was speaking to is the Community Bridges program, and I don't know if that's still in existence, but it was when you made your petition for conditional discharge. You mentioned that he had worked with them. Again, it may not be currently in place.
I don't believe it's still in place.
And then there was the Community Medical Center WORC program.
We're working for it's a program that essentially allows individuals to work and it helps pay for it. And so that part, but he still is employed. And so he has a job that he does each day.
And so for any treatment professional that he's currently seeing or does see during the interim, I need a release to the state and to the court.
Yeah.
To yourself, just as to his attendance,
Yeah,
participation, progress, and not the nuances of what's going on, but just generally that he's attending,
Sure.
that he's there. Now, as far as the mechanics of the GPS, that should preclude his attendance at public events.
Yes, basically it's what I call it is a house arrest with the exception of court appearances, doctor's appointments, and coming to see me.
And so he'll clear that both with the GPS, so they'll have
It's
set up, and then with probation, so they'll know.
Yeah, that's already in place. I know Charlie's got it up and running pursuant to the Justice Court's order.
And I'm further graining, again, allowing you to screen, but just to make sure that any social media sites that he's currently using or accessing, that both probation and the state would have access to that.
Certainly, but there is none.
And if he does choose to get on, then he must clear it.
Sure.
So I think we've handled the proceeding this morning. So you're excused. The courtroom remains closed until further order of the court. No one may leave, except for the defendant's counsel. We're going to go to a couple of proceedings on the phone. One of those is Rogers, the Rogers case. So Mr. Coolidge, you're standing in for your counsel record.
I am, Your Honor.
We're going to have Ms. Donahue here, and we're going to